Hello, and welcome to a DBmaestro source control demo. DBmaestro source control is a scalable, agile, cross-team collaboration solution for multi-databases. DBmaestro helps support sandboxes, shared database, branch and merge processes, and essentially document all changes while you're introducing them to the database while automating code creation or scripts to enhance productivity, minimize errors, and assist with time-consuming work. In today's demo, we'll overview two teams or two developers working in sandboxes, collaborating and sharing their work while documenting and automating everything that is being done. Team one would be working on database called user one. Team two would be working on database called user two. Team one would be introducing a few changes. In this demo, I'll create a new table. So let's do that. New table, let's call the column new call. Table 2 is good, and we have a new table. Let's also modify procedure. This is a source control demo. Yes, it is. And we have two changes. Now, these changes are introduced by team one. So opening up the UI for team one, if we go to the commit page, we can see our changes that were just introduced. So we can see the new table and no corresponding, of course, changes because it's new, as well as the changes introduced to a procedure. I'm happy with these changes. I want to commit these to source control. So let's call them changes. Changes for demo. I'm committing the changes. Now, of course, I could then push them whenever I get to a connection or I decide to share my work. I can again review the changes and push the changes to source control. Now, changes are there immediately synced to source control. If we'll visit the different history pages, we see table 2, changes to source control just introduced. And if we go to the procedure and drill in, we can see the smiley here, we can see the blame list, and everything is fully documented. Now, the second team needs to do only one thing. When they want to pull their changes, all they need to do is just request to see whatever is happening on the other team, review these changes. In this case, yeah, there's a new table, sounds cool, I want to take this. Some changes to the procedure, yep, that sounds good as well, and generate the code to merge this into their own specific environment. Of course, this would help merge changes, not just override them. So the code that is being generated here would reflect with the code that needs to go into the database. All I need to do is apply changes to the database, and that's it. We're done. If I go to team 2 and refresh, we'll be able to see table 2. Let's close these so we don't open them up by mistake. So refreshing will show us table 2 that was added, and we see the new column. And if I'll open up the procedure, we'll be able to see the little smiley here. Again, syncing work between teams. Full history is always available. Code creation helps with productivity. And of course, code can be packaged in order to be shipped to the next environment. Please feel free to contact us for more details. Thank you very much, and see you next time.